Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm not doing my YouTube game, no, I'll be introducing to you my favourite game on Animal Shelter 2 on day 86. Free to join it. Alright, let's get into it. I'll be introducing you. Loading. This is taking a while. Hopefully it works. It's taking a while. There we go. Alligator. What? Alright. Let me tell you something before I start moving. Well, I hope you like the balls, got infinite money and stuff. So let me take you to Black Dogs. I've got a lot of room here. So let me take you actually to the isolation. So this is Zelda. Why is there heaters on? I don't remember turning those on. Off. When did I put you here, Zelda? How'd you get in here? I'm trying to warm that cage up for anyone. Zelda, you live outside. So Zelda has chronic lung disease, and the animals can't die. I don't give her meds because she's wasting them, and no one will adopt her. But she's alright without them. Really good dog. So everyone is outside. She's allowed out here too. I don't know how she got into there. She's not. That's not her area. It's not. I've got no name, so I don't know why she went in there. Oh, where am I going? Where am I going? Right. Animals for shelter. Anyone need adoption? Oh yeah, Susie. I have a house. So on. Schedule reject. Schedule reject. Yep. Patrice. Schedule reject. Alright. So we've got all these guys. We've got a lot of rodents and cats. I think we've got one kitten. Oh, and I'll introduce you to Tuna. I think I mentioned her in my series about my YouTube game once. Where is it? No, she's here. What are you guys doing out? Tuna! All the cats keep getting out from all my workers. Tuna doesn't use the litter box for some reason. Silly Tuna. Is this her room? Right, who are you? Sushi. Oh my god. Sushi. Who are you? Pancake. Owl. Pancake. Pancake. We don't have a kitten. How about we look for a kitten? Scottish folder with sick. Siamese, a house cat. I think I'll do this Frugo. Wait, was it Frugo the other one? I've also got 3 cars. So, old dog, no cage. Have enough room. I prefer to get sick pets because of the update. I meant DLC. Why my workers doing really well? Benjamin. Feed. Feedings first. Feedings always first. Yep. need much. Alright, let's go get the animals. I should be at the car now. Oh my god, he's tiny. Frugo. Oh god, he's so sweet. So this is the kitten room. I need to mop up the pee. Why is this here? Last cat I had, peed everywhere. I didn't know how to use the litter box. Whoa, what the hell, Frugo? That's so cute. See that? It jumped. Stands. One sec, animals in shelter. Frug. Oh yeah, Frug is sick. I forgot Frug is sick. Let's go check. Alright. Measure temp. Fever. I bet it's a cold. Maybe cat. Hey. Here. Weakness. Probably has a broken bone. Oh no. Kitty. UGC. Take the UGC ultrasound. Not pills. What's the matter? Diarrhea? My kitty! Free go. Little kitty. Frugo's already going to sleep on that. Oh, he's cute. What was it going in? Oh yes, gonna get an animal from Van. No one. I thought I got a pet. I thought I got Shiro, didn't I? I thought I got Shiro. Guys, did I get Shiro? I don't remember. Mission. I was sure I had it. I'm not quite sure what to do. Oh my god, who pooped on the floor? Tuna! Tuna's my little kitty. She's very annoying, but she's safe. Let me check one thing. Alright. Alright. What do I do now? Guinea pig. Honey. Louis. Sick. Who are you? Lisa. And you're Olive. Cat cage available. Hello. Oh, Sparkle! How cute. I can't. Okay. No. Only pen. Right, Sparkle. Okay. Bubble? Bubble tea? Bubble, there's bubble tea. I'm gonna go bubble tea. Oops. Oh, I meant to go that way. What's in here? Oh, Oliver. God. Oliver? Oh my god, Oliver. Oh my god, I've never seen injury this bad before. Oliver. Oh my god, Oliver. You okay, Oliver? Oh my god, blood analysis. Do I have any left? I don't have any left. Oh my god. MRI. Blood. Sharp. I need a blood. Bandages. Fungus. Frostbite. Hot. I'm buying everything I can. Vitamins. Alright, purchase. Oh my god, you're right. Kitty. How do I do this? I forgot. How do I do this?
Where's your priority for me? You've got me for a bit.
How do I do this?
Tomorrow when Vicky comes, the next thing that says Jeff, she will pack up. Okay, this is how this is going to work. Right. Laila is going to be my number one helper.
Why is it? Oh. What's this? It's a bandage. Oh, sweet.
I'm going to get to work. If Laila wants to help, she can, but she doesn't have to. Because it's her weekend too. But like, if I've got any questions, can I ask them?
Come on, I need you.
You want to be
Package.
my number one helper. Okay. Cool. Stuff is clean, yes? Yes.
Frug.
So what if you want to call
Frugo.
it, darling?
Frugo. Frugo.
Fair enough.
There we go.
Sometimes it's hard to know. Is stuff clean or dirty? I'm going to guess dirty because there's food on it. And then last what's the darling? Why hand you think
Hey.
that I don't know? You know why? Oh my gosh. What's my sister?
Oliver. I feel bad for Oliver. MRI. Check what's the MRI?
Yes. That's what I reckon. Does it have a home? Oh, it has a case. Do you know what? Until we find it, because you know it has a case, I'll stand in there, and then when I find the case, I'll remember that that's the spot where he lives. Does that sound like a good plan? Yeah, good idea.
Actually.
Alright, darling, what did you do this morning? You gonna play with the cat? No, not sure.
Fulham. No? Okay. Fulham. Behind them, sorry. Oh, okay. What's wrong with Oliver then? Oh, stethoscope. Tethacope. Need a tethacope him.
Thank you, sweetheart. Alright, I'll take it from here. If you
I
want
didn't finish.
to play cat, I'll call you if I need you. How does that sound? Sound good? What a woman. What a woman.
I'm gonna do this. Oh my god, I don't know how to do this. Can I? Bro, this is annoying me. All of that. Oliver. Mine work. Oliver, no. How do I do this? One sec, let me open ChatGPT on my iPad. Hello? ChatGPT. There we go. How to use this universal swap. Animal shots 2. Alright. Not close to the animal. Wait for interaction from to the pin. Oh, why not working? Hit the interaction button. After collect samples from the end of the meeting, you can take a screenshot of the animal and the skin sample. Equipping the result, we'll go up to the animal. The irritated area until sample is taken. What do you mean till sample is taken? Let's see, I have screenshot of the animal. Oh, it's not working. Now it works. I sent him a photo. Set ChatGPT a photo. Will help me. Oh, I feel so bad for Oliver. From your screenshot, I see the heterochrome. I can see the highlight skin patch you can swap. Try this. Rotate the cat and check all sides for a red glowing spot on the skin. I'm guessing that's this one. And click near the animal and put the cursor slowly over the red area. Why ain't you working? For the interaction, pick up and place the cat back on the table. Let's try the other one. Why doesn't it work if the game specifically has to say skin sample and there's no spot to swap it? Might be a bug. It gets a task object on the screen whenever it says to do next. Oliver. I feel bad for Oliver. Let's give him a like cat scan just because. Oh, this one. Perform. Alright. I feel so bad for this kitty. Oh well. That's part 4. Go back to part 5 to see what will happen. Alright. Wait, this wasn't part 5? See you in part 2 of the game. Or maybe not. I don't know. Alright. See ya. Bye.